Today we're comparing an LLC or an S-Corp. Which one is better for your business when it comes to choosing the right structure, understanding tax benefits, pros and strategies, and keys to maximizing your savings, running your business effectively? Guys, it's so much to talk about. By the way, I'm Cashflow Chris. I'm not a lawyer or a tax professional. This video is for informational purposes only, but I've been doing this for so long and breathe and speak this stuff. So let's talk about this. What's the difference between an LLC and an S-Corp? Well, an LLC is a legal business structure designed to protect your personal assets from business liabilities. It's pretty flexible, easy to set up, and great for small business owners or startups. An S corporation, on the other hand, is actually a tax designation. You can elect for your LLC or corporation. It doesn't change the legal structure of your business, but does change how it's taxed. So this is a pretty big deal. And chances are the reason you came to this video. The main difference lies in how profits are spread out and taxed. Let's talk about the tax benefits of an LLC. By default, LLCs are taxed as pass-through entities. This means the business doesn't pay corporate taxes. Instead, the profits and losses pass through your personal tax return, where you pay the income and self-employment taxes on your share of the profits. Hopefully that makes sense. The flexibility of an LLC is a major advantage. You can reinvest profits into the business without worrying about complicated tax structures. However, you'll pay self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare, on the entire profit of the business. Alright, so now the tax benefits of an S-Corp. The S-Corp tax structure changes the game when it comes to self-employment taxes. As an S-Corp owner, you're required to pay yourself a reasonable salary. Only the salary portion is subject to self-employment taxes, while the remaining profits are treated as distributions, which aren't subject to these taxes. Now, I'm trying to think of an example here. If your S-Corp earns $100K in profit, let's say, and you pay yourself $50K salary, only that $50K salary is subject to self-employment taxes. The other $50K taken as distributions avoid these taxes, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. That's a huge pro. All right, so let's talk about pros and cons, right? LLC pros, they're easy to set up and maintain. It's a flexible tax structure, personal asset protection. Some of the cons to LLCs I can think of, like the full profits are subject to self-employment taxes. So let's talk about S-Corp pros. You have potential tax savings on distributions. Personal asset protection remains intact. Adds credibility to your business with payroll and formal structure. But let's not forget the cons of S-Corps. It requires payroll and additional administrative work. You must pay yourself a reasonable salary, which is subject to IRS scrutiny. When should you choose an S-Corp? That's a great question, right? Here's the rule of thumb. If your business is consistently earning more than 40 to 50K in profit annually, switching to an S-Corp is probably going to make sense. The potential tax savings on distributions can offset the additional administrative costs of running an S-Corp, like payroll services and filing requirements. If you're needing help with this, LegalZoom makes setting this up super easy, like your LLC to an S-Corp. It simplifies the process of forming an LLC, filing for S-Corp status, and ensuring you stay compliant with state and IRS rules, which is also huge. It's what I personally use, guys. It's a great tool to help. I'll throw my affiliate link in the description. Another tool I found extremely helpful for moving to an LLC to an S-Corp was QuickBooks. And it helped me with financial management. Because as you know, the S-Corp comes with additional responsibilities like setting up payroll, keeping track of distributions. QuickBooks makes it easy to manage payroll, track business expenses, generate reports for tax season. It's an absolute must. Even if you're not moving to an S-Corp, it works great for just LLC small business as well. Again, the link will be in the description. So, choosing between an LLC and an S-Corp kind of depends on your business goals, income, and willingness to manage the additional responsibilities. LLCs are great for simplicity and flexibility, while S-Corps offer powerful tax-saving strategies for growing businesses. If you guys have any further questions, hit me up in the comments down below. But before you guys go, all the tools and links will be in the description, and I highly advise you check out this next video because it's also extremely helpful.